The smoothies are excellent as a breakfast option in the process of losing weight, because they are rich in nutrients and fibers. While they are low in calories, they will make you feel full for a longer period of time and are good for the health of our digestive system. For preparation of the smoothies, you can include some ice or use frozen ingredients. Use fresh fruits or vegetables and leafy greens. Include some seeds, nuts, protein powders or sweeteners. Use liquid by choice, milk, water or coconut water. Use any kind of blender and smoothie ingredients. Smoothies in order to lose weight. Green smoothie. This smoothie is great if you are trying a green smoothie for the first time. It is low in calories and full with nutrients. The kale or spinach are rich in fibers which will make you feel full, while the chia seeds, apple and cinnamon are rich in antioxidants and support the digestion. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 apple, 1 handful of kale or spinach, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of almonds, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 cup of liquid, either water, your favorite milk, or coconut water, 1 cup of ice. Put all the ingredients in the blender and make a smooth paste. Drink this smoothie on an empty stomach daily for best result. You will experience the changes soon. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.